our English online class, day 18. I hope you all are doing well. We have completed chapter 4, a new name. Today, let's start with the grammar part, understanding the text. Page number 33. Before start our class, I would like to inform that we will have FA1 exam on 16 coming Sunday. Or you had to prepare for your exam. Your syllabus is chapter 2, Wild Duck, and poem Dust of Snow. This is your syllabus. You had to go through all the exercise and question answers. I hope you got it. Now let's start our class. Page number 33. Understanding the text. Match the sentences in A with the ones in B. First question is, the teacher was stand with the children when they use their Korean names. Okay, you had to find out the answer. I will give the answer. Answer will be D. She wanted to shield the children from the consequences of getting caught for breaking the law. Second question. The Koreans were thought to be good citizens of the empire. Question answer is option A. They only learned those things that the Japanese had allowed them to learn. Did you get? Yes. Question number 3. Sunhee was punished despite being the vice principal's daughter. Answer will be option E. Onishi-san wanted the other to get the message that no one would be spread for disobeying orders. Question number 4. Sunhee did not want to march to fade away. Answer will be B. They were a reminder of the injustice that was done to her as well as to the Korean people. Yes, last question. Fifth, a mistake from Tomo would be very hard to him. Answer is C. His loyalty to his country and the people would be questioned. Okay, I hope you all got this answer. You had to learn this, match the following. The question answer this question we will do later. First of all, let's complete all the exercise from this book so that you can complete your textbook work. Now, page number 34, grammar and usage. Pronouns and indefinite pronouns. Last class we learned definite and indefinite article, right? Now we are going to learn that pronouns. Read the sentence. I respond when anyone called me Koeko. Second, everybody had trouble remembering their classmates' new name. We have learned that pronouns are used to replace noun. You know, everybody know, right? What is a pronoun? That is a replacing the noun. We no need repeating the nouns again. So we are using the pronoun. They help us to avoid repeating noun when we speak or write. That is avoiding the repetition of the noun. It is easy to speak. We know that there are many kinds of pronouns. Last year we learned there are many kinds of pronouns. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and interrogative pronoun. In personal pronoun means what will come? In the personal pronoun, what are the personal pronouns? I, me, we, us, he, she, they, mine, him, her, them, or you, each. These are the personal pronouns. Then possessive pronoun में क्या क्या आएगा? Mine, ours, his, hers, its, theirs, yours. Then demonstrative में this, that, these, those. That are the demonstrative pronoun. The interrogative means what, which, who, whom, where. All this is a interrogative pronouns. Now, the highlighted words in the sentence above do not refer to anything or anyone in particular. In upside which I read, I responded when anyone called me Koyako. In the anyone, that word is not referring to anyone. Okay, there is not any particular person, anyone. They are vague or general. They are vague or general. In sentence 1, we are not told who was the speaker, Keiko. In first sentence, there is not told any speaker to speaker. 2, we know that an unspecified number of people found it difficult or remember their classmates. Okay, in everybody, that is there is not any particular, that's unspecified. They are not specified any particular student. Then these words are called indefinite pronouns. Here are more examples: another, any, anybody, anyone, anything, each, everybody, everyone, everything, few, many, nobody, none, one, several, some, somebody, someone. These are the indefinite pronouns. Now, let's do the exercise. Choose the correct pronouns from the box to complete this sentence. First question, this cake is too creamy and sweet. Let us buy. What will come there? Another. What is the answer? Another. Second question. Please put away that neatly after you finish your project. Okay. What will be the answer? Everything. Please put away everything neatly after you finish your project. Yes. Third question. That is that backpack. What will be the answer? Backpack. Answer will be whose. W-H-O-S-E. Whose is that backpack. Next, fourth one. I thought it was dash, but it is formal. Answer will be mine. I thought it was mine, but it is formal. Fifth question. Does dash know how to get to Central Bus Stand? What is the answer? Answer will be anyone. Does anyone know how to get to Central Bus Stand? It is a question. Next, hurry, take your pick quickly as there are not dash book left. Answer. What is the answer? Many. Seventh question. Dash is more important than being kind. Answer is nothing. Nothing is more important than being kind. Is okay? Next question 8. Whose slippers are dash? They are outside the door. Answer will be these. Whose slippers are these? Are outside the door. Hope you got this answer. Next, we will do the next one. Read the sentence. Relative pronoun. Okay. Now we learn the indefinite pronoun and pronouns. Now we are going to learn. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. See the exercise. Abhijit told him that he must help his family find a suitable name. See that sentence. Abhijit told himself that he must help his family find a suitable name. Okay, Abhijit told himself. He plus self, himself told. Okay. Similarly, in second sentence 2, if we mean the Sanhi was telling herself in her own mind, be careful in Onishi San's presence. We should say, how we will say here? Sanhi told himself to be careful on Onishi San's presence. Here will come herself. What will come? Herself. You can see that when the object of cloth refers to the subject of the same cloth, in same sentence, there is a subject. is coming repeatedly as a reflexive pronoun. It has to have a reflexive form, such as himself, herself, myself, yourself, themselves. Okay, another one is there. In a singular case, you have to use herself, H-E-R-S-E-L-F. That is spelling is S-E-L-F, self. But in plural, themselves, you have to use S-E-L-V-E-S. Okay, self, themselves, not a themselves, themselves, ourselves. Okay, then next we are going to do the exercise. Use a correct word from the box to complete this sentence. First question, my brother sat in a corner by dash and played with some building blocks. Here is himself. Answer will be himself. My brother. Let's say gender is a male gender, right? Masculine gender. Masculine gender. My brother. That will come himself. Next one is, I blame dash for this mistake. Forgive me. Here subject is I. I blame myself. What is the reflexive pronoun? Myself. Then next question is, Sana bought 3 tickets for me, for her brother, and for dash. What will be the answer? Self. Answer will be herself. Next question, there are many mangoes in the tree. Okay, Anita and her brother help dash to a bagful each. There is 2 persons are there. Okay, 2 persons. There are many mangoes under the tree. Anita and her brother, 2 are there. Say, not a singular, it is a plural. Anita and brother help dash to a bagful each. Answer will be themselves. You have to listen the spelling themselves. T-H-E-M-S-E-L-V-E-S. Themselves. Okay, not a S-E-L-F. Next question. We both felt nervous before the interview, but kept telling that there was nothing to fear. What will come there? Here also, we both. We is using us in a plural. Okay, not a singular. Plural case. But keep telling ourselves. O-U-R-S-E-L-V-E-S. Ourselves, there was nothing to fear. Next question. Why don't you help dash to some Jews? What is the answer? Answer will be yourself. Why don't you? It is mentioning here, subject is you. You, yourself to some Jews. Yourself. Answer will be yourself. Next, we have completed this exercise. Next is we will go to next page number 36. Let us now look at another use of reflexive pronoun. Next, in another way, we are going to do the reflexive pronoun. Did you yourself see it, or did someone tell you? Why is Karan sending the parcel with them? Why does not he bring it himself? This is an example. See there. You can see the reflexive pronoun are used in these sentences. Reflexive pronoun is using not because they are objects referring to subject. Okay, because of the object referring to the subject not. But simply to emphasize that someone did something in person, not through someone else. You can also see that the reflexive pronoun in place either immediately after the noun or pronoun concerned, as in sentence 1, or at the end of the clause as second sentence. Okay, in here 2 ways they are using. First one is using that, okay, after the noun or pronoun concerned. Let's say yourself see. You yourself see. Next one is using in the last clause. Okay, at the end of the sentence. Why does he bring it himself? Okay, I hope you understood this reflexive. First, we will do the exercise. When we are doing the exercise, you will get very easily. You will understand that. First question is, Santosh cooked and baked very well. He made this donut himself. Answer will be himself. Second, how could you forget? You dash told me You would buy the book on your way back. Did not you? Answer will be yourself. You yourself told me. Answer will be yourself. Next question. Third. They educated 6 children. They paid for all the expenses by answer is themselves. Here is a plural, themselves. You have to use selves, themselves. Next one is nobody was sure. We were not sure ourselves. We is a plural phrase. You have to use plural way, ourselves. Selves. Use. Fifth question. The matter was serious. The principal wrote a letter dash to all the parents explaining her views on cheating. What is the answer? Can you say? Yes, here principal. You have to add the reflexive pronoun of the principal. Here answer will herself. You will ask why you are using herself. Because the principal is a lady. Her views, H-E-R, her. So that here will come herself. Understand? I hope you all understood this. Next exercise we will do next class. I hope you are doing well. Don't forget your exam. I wish you all for your exam. Okay, thank you. Next class we will start chapter 36, exercise A and B, and next question answer. Okay, all the best. God bless you.